Hi friends, today I'm going to explain how to edit your video using in YouTube Studio and add some. Hi friends, I'm going to give hello friends. Hello friends. Today I'm going to give some explanation about how to edit our video in YouTube Studio. So suppose I wanted to edit something in this video. I want to add some extra song and I want to blur some images. So how to do that? We have to go to particular video and click this detail link. Then it will go to that particular video page, and here we have different kinds of options. Here we can go for analysis, editor, comments, and subtitles and monetization. Suppose if you want to edit something in this video, you have to go for editor. So it will go to that YouTube Studio Editor. So we have different kinds of options here. We can add any extra songs to this video. At the same time, I can add blur option also if I wanted to blur something in this video. I can use this option. So we have the face blur as well as custom blur. Suppose if I wanted to go for custom blur, we have to select this one, and we can place here. So it automatically start blurring his face, and it will also set that from when it's going to start that blur and when it's going to end. So it will automatically set if you move that blur to particular face. So you can adjust here also. Suppose if you wanted to go only for particular time 00, then you can set, and you can set that to shape also. If you wanted oval, you can go for oval. If you want rectangle, you can go. And as well as if you wanted to, suppose this behind object is moving and you wanted to follow that object, then you can go for track object. And so if you wanted to fix that position, some position, you can go for fix. So you can add any number of blurs you want. So I have added one more, and I am going for fixed position. And so that is on kind of editor. And you can also add the face blurs if you are means if you are having any faces in your studio, you want to blur that, and you can use this option, faces. So it is trying to detect is there any faces in this video. So in my video I don't have anything, so it doesn't show. I'm closing that. And there is a one more option, end screen. So you can also add end screens here if you want. I already added, that's why it is not giving any other. And if you want to add some particular audio to this video, you can also use that. We have different kinds of audios available. So you can if you want to, you can add, we have you can add here. It will automatically add to this video. You can also filter that duration. In duration you can mention from, suppose if your video is less 3 minutes or 20 minutes, you can specify here any song is more than any so you can filter that that videos is longer than 20 minutes. Then it automatically filter it and show it here. So if you see here, it is my all videos are longer than 20 minutes. So it is, so you can add, once you add here, that audio will get added to your video. And once you are all satisfied, you all satisfied with your editors, and you can save that. So these changes will get added to your video and ready to available. I hope you understand about how to use YouTube editor to add details and blur and add songs. And thank you guys. And my next video, following video, I'm adding how to resolve while editing, while blurring. You will get this kind of error. Sometimes blur region must contain at least one checkpoint error whenever you are trying to adjust your timings. Like if you try to adjust timings here, you will get this error. My next video I'll explain how to resolve that. Please follow that. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Please keep watch my videos.